Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows Shell experience host, ShellHost exe is causing high CPU usage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, you can consider restarting your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart the computer. The next one is to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be a clean boot, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.